All right, good afternoon. This is Sarah Buckley. I'm going to be doing the neurological exam. This is Alec, my patient. Alec, do you give consent to perform this exam and record it?
Yes.
Thank you. All right, I'm going to wash my hands first. All right, Alec, we're going to first start off by assessing your cranial nerves. So first we're going to do the first one, which is your smelling. So I'm going to occlude this one there, and can you breathe out of the other side? And then on the other. Good. I'm going to put this scent, yep, and I'm going to occlude this side, and you can just tell me what it is.
Cinnamon.
And then on the other side.
Yep, still cinnamon.
Good. All right, next we're going to do visual. Alec, if you could just read the smallest line that you can.
LTFPH.
Awesome. And can you cover one eye and do it?
LTFPH.
And then the other one?
LTFPH.
Good. Now I'm going to just bring my fingers in a circle. Tell me when you can see them.
I can see him. I can see him.
I'm going to just use my scope and take a look at your eyes as well. Good. All right, and now I just want you to follow my finger with your eyes. Now I'm going to come on forward. And if you could take your finger and touch my finger. Good. All right, we're going to move on to your facial cranial nerves. Can you clench your teeth? And can you move your jaw from side to side? Awesome. I'm just going to take a feel. All right. Can you close your eyes as tight as you can? Wrinkle your forehead. Oh, open your eyes in. Yep. Yep. Good. Can you puff out your cheeks? Oh, good. Let's see. Can you? So you just puffed out your cheeks and you tense your neck muscles like this. Yep. And can you shrug your shoulders? I'm just going to feel. Yep. All right, next I'm just going to take a look at your mouth. Can you open up and say, ah? Good. And I'm going to try to make you gag, so open your mouth again. Sorry. All right. And then can you stick your tongue out and then move it from side to side? Can you put it more parallel? Perfect. Okay. All right, so next we're going to test your coordination. So on your lap, I want you to take your hand and move it back and forth like this as fast as you can. Good. And then do it with the other hand on the other leg. All right, now I want you to, with your fingers, with your thumb, yep, exactly, on each one as fast as you can. Beautiful. Now I'm going to stick out my finger. I want you to put yours on your nose and then tap mine where it is. Beautiful. Next we're going to do your lower extremities. So I'm going to have you tap your foot. Excuse our
Little buddy.
Our Dr. Wedgie. So on my hand, if you could just tap as fast as you can. Good. All right. Now I need you to stand up, and I just want you to walk normally. Yep. And then for purposes, I'm just going to take the computer so we can record. I want you to walk heel to toe. So right and yep. Beautiful. And then next, with one leg, stand on one leg and hop in place. And then the other one. Beautiful. And then stand on one leg and do like you're going to do a squat. So bend down at the knee and then come back up. Well, okay. And the other one, you don't need to go out like that, but good. Okay. All right. You can sit back down, Alec.
Thank you.
I'm sorry, actually stand back up and can you just walk on your toes? Good. All right, now you can have a seat. I'm just going to take a look at your muscles. Everything looks symmetric. It doesn't look like you have any muscles that are atrophying. All right, I want you to flex your elbows like this, and I want you to try to resist. Good. Then I want you to extend your arms like this. I'm going to try to push down. Try not to let me push. Good. With my fingers, I want you to squeeze my hands as hard as you can. Okay, good. You have great grip strength. Open your hands up like this, and I'm going to try to close your fingers. Good. Okay, I'm going to push on your thigh, and I want you to try to raise your leg. Like, yep. Okay. Same thing. And then I'm going to place it under there and push. I want you to push down on my hand. Yep. Other leg. Okay. And next with the knees, try to straighten your hands against, or your legs against my hands. Okay. And then let's just make sure we can see. With your feet, I want you to try to push up. And then this one. And then if you could raise your feet for me. And then push down. And same. Okay. All right. Next we're going to do your senses. So first I'm just going to take a cotton tip swab. Or actually this cotton, that's a light touch, and I just want you to let me know, shut your eyes and let me know when you can feel it. It's going to be on different parts of your body. If you could stand up, sit up straight, please. You just tell me when.
Feel it. Feel it. Feel it. Feel it. Feel it.
Okay. Next we're going to do sharp versus dull. I'm going to take this cotton swab. This is the soft, and this is the sharp.
Okay.
Okay? So just tell me which one that you feel.
Soft. Soft. Sharp. Sharp. Soft. Sharp. Soft.
Good. We're going to do temperature. I have an ice cube right here, so just let me know if it's cold. And then this is going to be the warm. Close your eyes.
Cold. Cold.
I don't really have anything that's super hot, so.
Warm. Cold. Cold. Cold.
Okay. Next we're going to do vibration. I'm going to hit this tuning fork, and then I'm going to put it up against your skin and tell me if you can feel it vibrate, okay?
Okay. Yes. 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 Yes.
Let's see. Now that I have my tuning fork, I realized I forgot to do your hearing in your sensory cranial nerves. So quickly, I'm just going to do the whisper test. I'm going to occlude this ear and say 3 letters.
XTS.
And then on this side, do the same.
GWA.
Good. And I'm also going to use the tuning fork to see if you can hear the vibrations. I'm going to put it here, or I'm going to start up here and let me know if you can hear it bilaterally. Can you hear it in both ears?
Yes.
All right, so we did the vibration. Let's see. we're going to see, can you open up the palm of your hand and close your eyes? I'm going to draw a number in your palm. Tell me what it is.
An 8.
Yep. On this one.
3.
Nope.
7.
Yep. All right. Now we're gonna use this paper clip and see if you can sense if I'm touching you with both of the tips or just one. So close your eyes. It's gonna be on the pads of your fingers. So just tell me 2 or 1.
2. 1. 1. 1. 2.
Sorry. Good. All right. Next, I want you to close your eyes. I'm going to touch a part on your body, and then after that, I want you to touch the spot that I touched. All right. Lastly, for the sensory, I'm going to touch either the left or the right side of your body. Close your eyes and just let me know which side I'm touching.
Left. Left. Right. Right. Left.
Good. All right, I'm going to now test your reflexes. So we're going to start with the bicep. If you could have your arm flexed with your palm down. I'm just going to here. Now the other one. All right, next to the triceps, your arm down. Support it right here, and I'm just going to strike right behind here. Beautiful. Let's see. We're going to do right here your brachioradialis. Okay. Just right above the wrist. Hold on. And then the knees. Okay. And then the ankles.
Not a good angle for me.
Let's see. I forgot a couple things. So, Alec, we're just going to test the Romberg test. Could you stand up with your feet together? And let's see, feet together. And I just want you to stand like that. And now close your eyes. Make sure you can stand like that without any support. Good. And then we're going to do the pronator drift. Can you stand with your arms stretched out in front of you, I'm sorry, with the palms up. And now close your eyes. Good. All right, you can sit down. We just have 2 more things to do. If you could just lie down for me on the bed. Perfect. I'm just going to assess 2 signs. I'm just going to have you flex your head to the chin of your chest. Good. I didn't see any flexion of your hips and knees when we did that. That's the Bradinsky sign. And then we're going to lastly do the Kiernig sign. I'm going to flex your leg at the hip. And then your knee. And then straighten the leg. Any pain?
Nope.
And the other one? Any pain?
No.
Good. All right, Alec, we're all set. Thank you for your cooperation.
Thank you. And thank you, Dr. Wedgie.